UW EcoCAR 2 is an ambitious team of students at the University of Washington working to design a parallel, through-the-road, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. This vehicle is being designed for the General Motors and Department of Energy sponsored EcoCAR 2 competition. This 3-year collegiate engineering competition challenges 15 universities across North America to reduce the environmental impact of a 2013 Chevy Malibu. This is to be accomplished without compromising performance, safety, or consumer acceptability. In February of 2012, the UW EcoCAR 2 team found themselves in a pickle. Just days before the EcoCAR 2 Winter Workshop, where the team was required to demonstrate its progress on the hill development, the CAN communication channels into the MAVEX were lost, preventing the team from operating their hill. It was trouble with a capital T.
Yeah, I was a little upset.
So we're about ready to ship the hill for competition, and we actually had most of the stuff working that we wanted to get done, and we'd fulfilled a lot of the requirements for the actual competition, but unfortunately, about a few days before we shipped, we lost our CAN communication. We were still able to give analog and digital inputs to the hardware-in-the-loop simulator, but we couldn't talk over it via CAN, which is unfortunate because that is our main method of talking from the hill simulator to the micro auto box. We ended up working a lot of late nights to try and get that fixed, but unfortunately we ended up having to ship the hill before we had solved our issue with the loss of CAN. dSPACE actually helped a lot with trying to get us up and running and up and working. It was a really, really high stress scenario. There was probably about a very limited amount of time to actually set up our hill and get everything running. So when we plugged in and weren't working, dSPACE immediately jumped in and helped us out a lot.
You see, dSPACE is a leading producer of engineering tools for developing and testing mechatronic control systems.
dSPACE's contribution to this competition and to our team has been really invaluable in helping to create both a control strategy and to get ready to integrate it with an actual physical vehicle. In my mind, dSPACE has really been one of the key players in allowing us to actually complete this project in 3 years.
All in all, the team learned a lot about preparing for the worst in the workshop, and they'll be well prepared for year 1 competition in